This video introduces the overall layout interface of 1024S. First, let's look at the bottom left corner of the console. There are some blue buttons and faders. This corresponds to playback function in console. We can use these buttons and faders to store the edited scene and chase as playback. Push the fader to call up a scene or chase as playback. Pull down the fader to turn off the playback. Then the area above the console. This corresponds to attribute function. We can switch to different attributes by selecting the attribute button. Then use these faders to control and switch the attribute changes of the fixture. The bottom row of blue and gray buttons correspond to fixture group and palette function. There's a row of blue buttons that correspond to different function of console. We can switch to different function button and cooperate with screen display to do different operation. This screen is display area. Here we can see the corresponding content prompts. The three wheels at the bottom can control attribute change. The wheel in the bottom right corner can use to adjust parameter values. Let's go to see the back panel of console. These are DMX5 to output ports. The fixture is connected to the console via DMX5 to signal cable. 1024S console has two output ports and to be output ports. We can connect the computer simulator or ArtNet via this LAN port. MIDI port is to trigger the MIDI function in console. Then use the computer MIDI software to trigger the playback of console program.